Under flashing lights we're flying.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is probably one of the best chicken drumstick I've ever made. So I'm making smothered chicken drumstick in a beautiful sauce. So feel free to try this recipe, guys. I'm adding salt, just a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, just Italian herbs. Just season this through, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, some thyme, just a teaspoon of thyme, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder. Just I'm going to rub this in. Also, I'm going to add some oil, so just some olive oil, just olive oil on my chicken, and then mix this through. Alright, so my chicken is marinated, and I'm going to cook them in a large pan, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. In a large pan, I'm going to add some oil and just gonna brown my chicken. So possibly for about 4 to 5 minutes. So just add my chicken. I'm going to cook my chicken for 4 to 5 minutes until they are nice and golden brown, and then I'll make the sauce. So this is chicken drumstick smothered in a creamy sauce. So delicious and easy to make. I'm going to set the chicken aside. Just set the chicken aside for now. Adding some butter. So adding one onion, one medium-sized onion. And also adding some garlic, about 5 cloves of garlic.
Onion as well as your garlic.
I'm just gonna add some corn flour or just even all-purpose seasoning. I've got corn flour, so I'm just adding a little bit of corn flour and just mixing this through. Just cook this for a few minutes just to make sure you cook the flour out. So just cook the flour. Alright, just adding some chicken broth, about a cup of chicken broth. And then I'm mixing this through. Alright guys, now I'm just gonna add some thickened cream or heavy cream, whatever you call it. Just add some cream into the sauce and mixing through. Alright, bringing this to boil and simmer on low heat, just medium heat. Alright, now I'm just going to bring the chicken back, guys. Just bring the chicken back, and I'm going to cook this chicken in the sauce for about 25 to 30 minutes. So the drumstick are in, and then just adding a little bit of Italian herbs. So this is parsley, basil, and other herbs, Italian herbs. Just adding this on top and cover and simmer. And I'll show you when we come back after 25 minutes. I'm just gonna sort of flip the chicken to make sure all sides can cook. So I'll let this cook for 25 minutes and alright guys, so this is how the chicken looks. So this is chicken drumsticks smothered in a beautiful sauce. Alright, so this is how it looks right there. Alright, I'm just gonna add a little bit of garlic chives. Alright, some garlic chives, that's what I have in my garden. I don't have fresh parsley or anything like that. So I'm just going to mix that through. So the chicken is nice and cooked, guys. 20 to 30 minutes cooked in the sauce. This is how it looks.